see if this thing's gonna work. Look from the side of my eye. All right, let's make sure, see if we're live. Looks like successful. Click here to view your screen. Okay. All right, so here live on YouTube. Just gonna do this one live. I want to show you guys a cool new tool that I found that's good for sourcing product on Amazon if you want to launch a private label brand. Uh, Really powerful tool. The popular one before is Jungle Scout. That's a good tool and everything, but this new one that I want to show you right now is kind of way more powerful because it tells you the whole story behind the product. Like it doesn't just give you data from at the moment; it gives you far into the past, where you could actually see a market trend. So the reason I want to do this video is because a lot of times you want to launch a brand on Amazon or a product, and you look for a product and then you end up launching it and everything, but you have a really hard time getting sales or getting to page one because there's just kind of a lot of competition. You didn't really find which keywords to try to rank for. So the hardest part about getting a product launched is actually doing the research right at the beginning. The rest is all just getting nice pictures, having a solid product. A lot of that's just kind of technical stuff that can be done. But if you start with good data from the start, your chances of your product being a success are going to be that much higher. So, all right, so let's get into Amazon. All right, I'm going to switch screens right now. We're going to come over to the computer screen, and I'm going to switch right now. Switching. All right. Let's see if this does this. Come on, computer. All right. So here we are on Amazon, and I want to show you one way you could start looking for ideas so you could drill down pretty deep into the catalog here on Amazon. You want to come here to departments. Departments. I'm really sorry if there's something in the chat. I'm actually not paying attention to it right now. I actually don't even have it open. But I'll see it later. So you come there, the full directory. It's going to load it up. I'm using a lot of internet here. Let's see if this connection is going to be able to handle this. All right. So here you have the entire Amazon catalog of departments. So here a good way to go is start with something you kind of understand, maybe something you like. Think of three and then narrow it down to maybe one. You're like, oh, which one do I like more? So let's go in here to, right here, we're going to do home and garden tools. And then we're going to come down this home, garden, and tools. But then you could see there's a bunch of different categories in here. And let's find an interesting one. Let's come to arts, crafts, and sewing, because we have the holidays, and maybe you want to make some crafts when you're at home with the family or the kids. So let's see what this brings up. I just want to show you how deep you could go into a department, and then we'll move on to showing the tool that we're going to use to look for product ideas, and see what kind of demand there is and what kind of opportunity there is to get into that category. Let's look at these organizers. Storage and transport. This looks interesting. So see, we're going deeper into the category. We picked a subcategory. Then here's another. There's going to be another subcategory. Let's try to get something that's not too big. Where should we go? Let's look at these. Oh, okay. So let's go from over here. It's a little easier to see. Right here we have the main category, subcategory, and then we're getting down into more categories. So this helps narrow down the type of product you're looking at, because then you're not so top level where everybody else is paying attention. Right here, you're kind of making your own little your own little world. Some people call it a blue ocean or your own beach because these products are not getting as much attention as the main things in the category. So you come here. Let's come look at this storage. Got storage. Click on this. Storage. Let's go. All right. Oh, let's see if we got this. Maybe I should pre-record this. I think these are taking up a lot of internet right now. All right, I'll figure it out. All right. Well, I don't know if that's gonna do this. Okay. Let's see, is it trying to do? Yeah, it looks like it's trying to. It's got data going up and down. Well, the tool I want to show you. Let's find out some information. Okay. Let's see if we have more categories we could come into. It looks like something's loading here now. So in the comments, how do you look for products? How do you do research? Do you sell on Amazon? Let me know in the comments. I'm curious to know. Okay, so looking at this, let's see if there's. All right, so it looks like we're pretty deep into the category. So now we're at arts and crafts, organization, and storage cabinets, and this is what we're getting. So let's find art supply. So this is one way to get ideas. We got these. So so now what I want to show, we're gonna go way back up to the main Amazon because now I want to show you. We could do it right here, so we don't have to deal with the bandwidth again. Okay, we're in storage containers. Let's put art art supply storage is what we're gonna use. Let's see, art supply plastic storage. Art supply plastic. Can't even see what I'm typing because it's catching up. Plastic art supply plastic. Art supply plastic storage. It's spelled right, but Amazon will correct it anyway. And then right here on the next part, I'm gonna finally get to the tool I want to show you. All right, so we're gonna hit enter. And we'll wait for it to load some results pretty soon. And then the tool that I'm using works either as a web app or as a Chrome extension, and it's called Market Intelligence. You're gonna really like it. Pretty interesting the way they do stuff. So here we're gonna get our results for that search, and here's what we're getting. Now let's see, are any of these? This top line here, these are sponsored. Someone's paying for us to see this. These are the words that we use to find these products that are come up here. So the good thing is I'm not seeing that these are sponsored, so that's good because looks like no one's paying for product sponsoring here. That means there's very little competition already. Then we're looking at the number of reviews. Uh, Number of reviews these have. Anytime you see less than 100 reviews, that's pretty good opportunity also. So we're on page one, and these are the best ranking products for these key terms up here, which are art supply, plastic storage. So the number one here has 82 reviews, then 170, 39. We have 179, 33, 32.